Good day. For today's video, we are going to discuss Quarter 2, PE and Health 8, Lesson 4, Week 5 and 6 of DEPED MATATAG curriculum. Let's begin. Subtopic 2, Volleyball. Developing and deepening understanding, explicitation. Activity, from badminton to volleyball. Part 1, Discussion, Badminton. Part 2, Introduction to Volleyball. Guide questions. Developing and deepening understanding, worked example. Activity, watch and observe. Instructions.
Before we get into
Video
the
number
mechanics of
1,
spiking a
How to play
we have to cover a
volleyball,
few
the
topics.
basics and rules.
First off, when does a spike occur? Well, the ideal setup for a spike begins with a pass to the setter, who usually stands on the top right corner of the court, which is also known as position 2. The setter will then pass the volleyball along the net to the middle hitter, which is in position 3, or the power, which is in position 4. Their goal is to run to the net.
Rules of volleyball for
For
beginners.
further understanding,
Volleyball is a team
watch
sport
this
which
video.
is played between two teams
Video
consisting
number
of
2,
6 players.
Volleyball
The
rules,
objective of
how to
volleyball
play volleyball.
is to send the ball over the net to hit the ground on the opponent's side of the court, while the opponent's team counters by trying to prevent the ball from being hit on the ground on their side of the court. Volleyball player roles. Each team's side of the court.
Basic rules of volleyball. Main skills used in volleyball. Letter A, serving. Letter B, passing. Letter C, setting. Letter D, spiking. Letter E, blocking. Letter F, receiving. Player positions and roles. Number 1, setter. Number 2, right side hitter. Number 3, middle blocker, middle hitter. Number 4. Outside hitter, left side hitter. Number 5. Outside hitter, back row. Number 6. Libero. For reference only, watch this video. Video number 1. Alamanang manga positioning manga player sa volleyball.
Ang nasa 4 naman ay ang opposite. Ang 5 ay ang left side hitter or opener. At ang nasa 6 ay ang libero. Ang outside hitter o left side hitter o mas kilala sa tawag na opener ay ang mga spikers na first option ng setter kung sakaling magulo ang tanggap ng bola.
What is a
Video
5-1
number
rotation?
2.
As the name
5.
suggests,
1 rotation in
5-1 rotation
volleyball,
consists of
explained
5
with
hitters and 1
animations.
setter. To understand rotation better, let's first look at each position on the court. There are 2 rows in the court, the front row and the back row, and there are 6 players in these 2 rows. The positions are of these players arranged as right back. This is where the setter starts, and it is also known as zone 1. Right front, the outside hitter plays in this position, and it is called zone 2.
Safety precautions. That's all for today's video. Please stay tuned for more. God bless.